Morning, dear students. As we have seen in the previous video, all under Human Resource Management Unit Lamma, announcing the vacancies. After seeing the information through various media advertisement, various candidate apply to our companies. Out of the applications, we selected a few applications and we invited them for the general clarification and test. Various tests we arranged and we conducted. Again, after the test, again we are screening. We are omitting a few applicants, and out of that, the rest of a few we are inviting for the interview, and various types of interview we have studied through telephone, online, preliminary level, deep level, group interview, panel interview, and something like that. And after that, then they gone to medical checkup, and finally the selected name list given to the owner or higher authority, and after that they may sign the agreement and giving of appointment order stating all the rules and regulations, working time and promotion and nature of work and everything. This is what we can say more or less over. So under the selection process, we gone through all those things in the previous video. Okay, and the selection பண்ணும்போதுமா what are the points to be bear in mind by the company படிச்சோம். Nature of post, number of candidates and the cost involved, and also the benefit of selection, better efficiency, good person, இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு chances இருக்கு. Finally the person put on the particular work, that is placement, and the various principles of placement we studied, and finally we finished with recruitment versus selection. Okay, the differences as recruitment first stage and selection second stage. Just it's an announcement, but selection selecting and omitting a few. The recruitment is a positive and selection is negative. With that we stop in the previous video all. And now just think over எல்லாமே முடிஞ்சதுமா, the staff member coming to office or factory or company. So the next level of human resource is some sort of training to be given to those newly selected candidates, newly appointed employees. Now they are employees, actually they become a staff. So enough training also to be given by the company, that also scientifically, systematically. Okay, out of the selected appointed candidate staff employees, if you of them already can have some sort of experiences, training, and able to do the work voluntarily by themselves, but some others may be new to the job, this is the first time, so that they too need compulsory some trainings. Even though the experience and also need, the level may be differ, just slightly they can point out, that's enough. But for newly first time on the graduate candidate, they need full training. About that only now we are going to see. Like that, the same what I was in the previous video, different types of recruitment, different types of selection. Similarly, the training also may be different type. Okay, About that and all now we are going to see in this video. Okay, so once what purpose we used to give training, அப்படி ட்ரைனிங் கொடுத்தா தான் ஜஸ்ட் a minute மா அந்த ட்ரைனிங் கொடுக்கும்போது அம்மா the newly appointed staff, even that experienced they can do the work in time, in advance. Without training they may take more time, some delay, unnecessary delay will take place, and also some damages to the output. So to avoid all these things, if enough training given means that candidate can use their talent and skill and knowledge for doing the job in a better way. This is the main idea. So here the training means what we can say as teaching and learning. Okay ma, training iruduma the concern in charge persons, the superiors, the trainers may guide them, may teach them, can advise them, can show them the way of doing the work, so that it help the new employees to get knowledge, to understand the things, and they can apply their technical knowledge so that they can do the work more effectively and efficiently. This is the main idea. Learning and applying, that is training. See that the famous definitions given by various authors. Edwin, training is the act of increasing the knowledge. Act of increasing the knowledge. Already we have enough knowledge, theoretical knowledge, education knowledge, everything, but how far we are going to apply the knowledge and skill while doing the work, adukku peru training. Just mere raw academic qualifications alone is not help us. That skill, the talent, how to apply the academic knowledge. Okay ba, see another definition given by Mathis and Jackson. Training is a learning process whereby people learn skills. Not academic knowledge alone, learning various skills, concept, attitudes and knowledge to aid in the achievement also to do the work without any mistakes. Okay ba, once anything wrong not only the particular candidate will suffer, the entire department, the whole final output becomes wrong. Okay ma, adanal totally something lost to the organization. To avoid that, enough training to be given. Okay, then next what for the training is to be given, the necessity, the need for, the purpose of training. As I pointed out, just the same thing down. Improved quality of work, so that once the training given, the concerned candidate can focus mainly on the work to be done, so that he can use his maximum skill and talent. Okay ma, so that what once the work given to complete it within 8 hours if he have enough experience and skill, talent and training he is able to do to finish within even 6 hours, 7 hours, and able to save 1 hour, 2 hours. That's what even in class as a student I personally advise my students, particularly in the quarterly half-yearly exams all, even in plus 1 itself, even 3 hours given, but you should not take 3 hours, at least or half an hour early. I mean 2.5 hours தான், I mean 200 marks system போதுமா, 2.5 hours தான், half an hour earlier you must finish, at least or 10 to 20 minutes earlier. I used to say frankly that this 3 hours means only for government corporation students, but you guys students, lot of money your parent they are investing on your life, so there must be enough return to be given to your parent. Once they hand over you in +1, சார் உங்களை நம்பி விட்டு போகிறோம் சார் பார்த்துக்குமாங்க. I promise them face to face saying, don't worry sir, what you are expecting double the time I will give it back, go ahead, don't worry, do your work, I will give you full guarantee, I can take care of full your children's studies sir, don't worry அப்படின்னு சொல்லி என்கரேஜ் பண்ணி அனுப்புவோம். ஸோ தட் அந்த மாதிரி ஸ்கூல் லைஃப், ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் லைஃப் இட் செல்ஃப், இஃப் யூ ஆர் ஏபிள் டு டூ த ஒர்க் ஏர்லியர், ஒரு half an hour 20 minutes ஏர்லியர், then in your future life whatever the work nature given you are going to do the work, you can finish because of having that knowledge in school life itself. Okay, then second, enhance employee growth. ஆமாம், சப்போஸ் ஒரு டெய்லரிங் ஒர்க்னு வச்சுக்கோமா, அட்ஸ் அன் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ். தட் ஓனர் ஆஸ்க் யூ, இந்த எக்ஸ்போர்ட் கம்பெனில இல்லாமா பெர் டே 5 pants set to be stitched 8 hours. But if he is having enough training now, he can finish within 6 hours. But 2 hours extra he is having, and the 2 hours he can get some other more work, so that he is able to get double the time income allama. And also he is able to know the new techniques, the way of doing, I mean speed. He is able to do the work very fastly. Another example என்ன சொல்ற, ரைட் ஃபாஸ்ட் லாஸ்ட் 20 minutes, லாஸ்ட் 10 minutes, லாஸ்ட் 5 minutes சொல்கிறோம்லாமா, அந்த டயத்துக்குள்ளே முடிக்கணும் உங்களுக்கு என்கரேஜ் பண்ணுறோம்ல. அதான் டெஃபினெட்லி நவ் யூ won't realize, but in future life definitely you are going to realize. உங்களை கேட்பாங்க அப்போ கூட ஒர்க் பண்ணுற கொலிகளா, how sir you are all able to finish, because these are all educated to us during when we were all in school life, so the whole credit goes to our teachers அப்படின்னு பெருமையாக சொல்லுவீங்க. Okay, you wait and see. God bless you. Then next, prevention of obsolescence. That's what, see what now we are doing ma. Till last year we were all in direct regular coaching, but now ma for the past 1.5 years we are away from the regular system of teaching and learning, so that latest techniques we are following now through online, like that. So the old system, but we used to say old is always gold, but what to do ma, the whole world is now struggling. There is no other way except this type of new technology of teaching and learning. So whatever it is, not only in the education institution, all other work department they are working at home through this online technologies. So that enough training is given to the staff members now, the old system we can throw it out, so that we are so accustomed with a new system. Okay, then next one, enlightening new recruits. So that because of new technologies introduced, so we need new staff members. So instead of usually every once in a year, once in 2 years only we stop a new staff members, but now because of all this technology once in 3 months, once in 6 yearly, twice also we can appoint new staff. Therefore so many new employees also given the chances. Then improved safety measures. These are all particularly in the production area. Leave that our education institutions only, nothing is produced or sold or anything here, only doing services. But production பார்த்துக்கும் போதுமா கம்பெனியில் all the electricity suppose used, all the weapons, all the instruments suppose there and all, suppose due to any slight mistake, carelessness, due to that there may be fire accident ஆகலாம். அந்த பர்டிகுலர் மெஷின் சப்போஸ் கைகளுக்கு ஏதோ ஒரு டேமேஜ் ஆகலாம் ஒரு ஸ்பாட்டில். ஸோ இஃப் தட் he is having enough trainer, he will be in advance, so double the time aware of that. Suppose if we go in that way, the machine will be destroyed or damaged and output becomes second, third quality, like that. So that he is well in advance, so aware of that what is to be done and what is not to be done. ஓகேவா? அதனால தான் எக்ஸாம்பிளில் உங்களுக்கு ஃபஸ்ட் அந்த மெயின் சீட்லேயே ஃபஸ்ட் பேஜில் சொல்லுங்க டூஸ் அண்ட் டோன்ட் டூஸ் கொடுத்துக்கலாமா? இதெல்லாம் நாங்கள் இப்போ ஸ்கூல் குவார்டர்லி ஆஃப் இயர்லி ஸ்கூல் எக்ஸாம்லேயே இதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு எஜுகேட் பண்ணிடுறோம். ஸோ தட் யூ மே நாட் commit such a mistakes in a board exam like that. Then next, motivating employees so that as an employee is able to do the work himself in time without any damages. So it automatically motivates him, encourages him to do his job still more efficiently than that of earlier days. After having enough training, experience and all, that's why out of you 40 guys, right from beginning we practiced you to finish up half an hour earlier. So the same way you are going to follow plus one fully or 10 exam we used to write and plus 2 also 10 3 years exam. So nothing difficult for such out of 40 students. If you have no difficult to finish up everything. So automatically you will be having that self confidence. You yourself encourage you. Yes, I am so happy of myself. I am able to finish 200 mark, 100 mark within 2 hours, 2.5 hours. So still next exam still I will write little more slowly and so little more attractively and neatly, and so I can get full mark. Like that it itself can encourage you, and which leads to finally higher productivity and profits. That is the main ultimate goal. These are all the test, interview and the training, everything is given for what? The ultimate goal is what? As a student you were taught on all 100 mark, 100 mark, 200 mark, 200 mark. You must get centum. That is the ultimate goal. At least out of 5-6 subjects, at least or 2-3 subjects you must get centum. That we can prove. We already proved earlier days the same way. That's what in company, in production level also, that all employees having enough experiences, training, automatically they are able to produce good quality of products and able to save more time, and they are able to willing to do extra work, so that automatically extra production, extra sales, extra profit, extra salary, extra happiness, like that only leads to another happiness, another level, like that. So that employee keep on giving training, new latest technology, he is able to do the work so quickly, so fastly, so that automatically ultimate result the organization will be benefited. The staff, the employees, those are working there also will be so happy because of getting more payment. Then next, cost reduction. That is very important. As being a commerce student, please be aware of it, whether we are able to earn income or not, whether we are doing business, whether we are able to earn profit or not, but we can reduce our expenses. It is another one way of saving money and earning money. Am I right? So that as an experienced trained person, see, in our place, rural area, the tailor, within 2 meters he is able to stitch shirt. Within 110-120 meters pant he is able to stitch. But in city side 2.5 meters shirt வேணுங்கிறான், 140-1.5 meters pant cloth வேணுங்கிறான். ஏன்னா அந்த கட்டிங்கில் மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணிக்கிறான். He is not able to cut and stitch within that meter of cloth. So there's so much of cloth will be wasted. Just practically I am speaking. So as a trained tailor can stitch for me, for us, even within 2 meters or maximum sometimes 2 meters 10 points enough. But the city side now 2.5 meters கேட்குறான் ஸ்டிச் பண்ணோம்னா, இல்லைம்மா 500 and 600 வந்துடுது ஸ்டிச் சார்ட்டோட. ஸோ பெட்டர் we can buy on such ரெடிமேட்லேருந்து போயிடுறோம் இல்லையா. ஸோ தட் as a trained personங்கிற போதுமா he can avoid the wastages maximum level. So automatically once wastage reduced now, the result of that, the production becomes more. Once production becomes more, automatically leads to sales more profit, something like that. The next, no need of supervision. The persons, for example, the paper valuation நாங்கள் சொல்லுவோமா, we people able to finish within 2.5 hours maximum. But newly first time வரீங்கன்னா 3 hours ஆகுவாங்க, 3.5 hours ஆகுவாங்க. ஈவினிங்கெல்லாம் ஒரு சில டைம் நாங்களே 4:30 முடிச்சிருவோம். பட் ஒரு சில பேருமா 5:30 6:30 கூட ஆகும் பேப்பர் கரெக்ஷன், ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ப்ராக்டிகல் ஸ்பீக்கிங். ஓகேப்பா. ஸோ தட் எகைன் நாங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுவோம், சிஆர்னுட்டு அவங்களுக்கு போய் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவோம். எங்கே மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணாங்க, டேலி ஆகாது, எய்தர் பேஜ் வைஸ்லையோ இல்லை கொஸ்டின் வைஸ்லேயே தப்பு பண்ணாலும் டேலி ஆகாது, போஸ்டிங்கில் மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. அது திரும்ப ஒரு கரெக்ஷன் பண்ணிவிட்டு சப்மிட் பண்ணிட்டு போகிறதுக்கு 5-6 o'clock கூட ஆகிடும். ஓகே. பட் இதே இது எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஃபஸ்ட்டு கேட்டுக்குவோம். எனி ஆஃப் யூ கம்மிங் திஸ் ஃபார் த ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் டீச்சர்ஸ் அப்படின்னு கேட்போம். எஸ் சார்னா அவங்கள டபுள் டைம் வாட்ச் பண்ணுவோம். அவங்க கரெக்ஷன் பண்ணுறது எப்படி பண்ணுறாங்க, மார்க் கரெக்டாக அலர்ட் போடுறாங்க, மார்க் கொடுக்குறாங்க ஆஸ் பர் த கீ அப்படின்னு டபுள் டைம் அவங்க செக் பண்ணுவோம். பட் தோஸ் ஆர் ஹேவிங் எனஃப் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ்மா ஜஸ்ட் வி பிலீவ் தட் தே நோ வெரி வெல். ஓகேவா. அதனால் நோ சச் ஃப்ரீக்வெண்ட் சூப்பர்விஷன் செக்அப் இஸ் நீடட். தென் பெட்டர் adaptability so that they are able to follow new technologies and everything. Okay, well, good. So dear students, with that I'd like to finish this video, and the rest of things we are going to see in the next class. Okay, so that dear students, after watching this video, then this and write one question as the need for training. Just only one default question I used to give, and sir madam and assistant madam சொல்லிக்கிறேன், தனியாக கொஸ்டினே டைப் பண்ணி வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் போடுங்கிறாங்க. நான் அதை அப்படி போட்டு விட்டால் நீங்கள் அதை மட்டும் பார்க்குறீங்க, வீடியோ கவனிக்கிறீங்கிறத. till the end you must listen the video, watch the video, and what is given as an assignment or test, you follow it. So once again repeat, I mean the need for training, the same what I taught just now as one question, and take photo and send to me. Okay, wish you all the best. See you. Bye.